latest pieces of artwork that I'm currently working on. Native American, and down here will be a wolf, which I've tried painting a few times and cocked it up each time. So with the wonder of acrylic paints, I've just smudged it over and I'll start again. And there's going to be another one here, which I've roughly sketched in, as you can see there. And I'll probably put something up here in the background, maybe like a moon or some stars. I'm really pleased with how the Native Americans turned out. And again, he's been drawn about 3 or 4 times, or painted about 3 or 4 times, and then each time he's had to be painted over and then started again. But it was quite difficult trying to find the highlights, the face, just to bring it through, and then put the darker pieces in just to create the contrast and the shape of the face. But it's finally getting there, and love the feather work. But yeah, that's the current piece of artwork I'm on with at the minute. That's a rather well used palette. So anyway, I've started to sketch or roughly jot in the features of the wolf, the face, eyes, nose, mouth, just to give it some shape, something to work with. And I think next I'll be working on the darker areas, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, just to highlight the features a little bit. I wish I'd started doing this from scratch and just videoing the sections of it to show you how I've built it up, but you live and learn. Maybe the next piece that I do, I might start doing little time-lapse pieces to give you an idea of the process. I've got the flash on there, but it was nowhere near finished yet. However, I've got a little time lapse there which I'll obviously put together, but you can see where the wet paint is still. But you can see now where I've started to put the shape of the face in, the nose, the eyes, the mouth, just to build some sort of structure to what I can now build on. And these areas that are still on the yellow ochre, they'll be getting pulled through with the white to really highlight the facial features of the wolf. And the same around the ears, the fur around here, and just a bit more detail will be getting added to show the fur. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the way it's coming along so far. And you may be wondering why I'm posting the videos on Reiki Zen to do with artwork, but I do find art, painting, drawing, even the music, which obviously my music stuff's over there, is all really good mindfulness practices, because you become so embedded within the process of what you're trying to create. And a little bit for you guys to show what I like to do in my spare time as well. Yeah, I hope you're enjoying seeing these little snippets of what goes on behind the scenes at Reiki Zen. Bye for now. So this is where we're at thus far. put a bit more detail in. I'm not sure about around the eyes. I don't know if it's too light or what, I'm not too sure, but I do like this texture here, and the fur, and the detail of the fur. I think the eyes, they're too light around the eyes. They just look a bit unusual, so I've got a little bit of work to do there. So it's still work in progress, but that's where we are so far. I've got the background ready for next. I think it's going to be another wolf, but the next wolf is going to go in there. So yeah, so that'll be the 3 all together on that canvas. So yeah, bye for now. So as you can see there, we've started the sketch of the 3rd wolf on the canvas, which currently looks more like a cartoon, but or maybe like Yogi Bear, but it will hopefully get somewhere along this. But I mean, dogs are really hard to draw. It's trying to get the perspective of the nose and the face right, but I think if I do any more with it, it's probably going to spoil it. So I've decided to stop there with that one. I've darkened and put a little bit more detail on the Native American, darkened the feathers a little bit, and in between these little feathers here, and just around the edge of the face. But yeah, it's coming along nicely, and I've put a little bit of a background in there. So we've got the moon, a few clouds just above the mountains. I might put an eagle or a bird up there, I'm not too sure. I don't want to overload it because I think there's quite enough going on within it, but hope you enjoy it so far. Bye for now. So I'm going to call this painting complete, finally done. It's taken a lot of man hours, but I'm pretty happy with it. I've darkened the background down a little bit just to allow the wolves to stand forward a little bit and come forward. So we've got obviously the brownish one, then the other one I made more of a grey, white, black sort of colour. But yeah, I'm quite happy with them. I do like the brush strokes and the indication of the fur. I think the Indian is still my favourite, just from the actual detail. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, so I hope you like it. I hope you've enjoyed the little artistic interludes, but I thought we'll break things up a little bit with regards to what we normally do and what we normally talk about on the Reiki Zen channel. But thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing, viewing, and getting in touch. And I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now and be well. So hi everybody, you can see my face instead of just canvases and paintings. I hope we're all well. I hope we're doing fine. Welcome to the Reiki Zen YouTube channel. I've really enjoyed doing these bits of paint work, bits of artwork, and it's really helped to give me a bit more time, a bit more focus, a little bit more clarity of mind. It's take me back to my Zen space. I mean, I absolutely love art, painting, drawing, music, anything of a mindful nature. And yeah, sometimes things can be tiring and overwhelming, as many of us know. And, you know, taking that step back and using that time for us is like, it's part of a healing journey, and it's part of what we're here to learn about and discover, including myself and many other people. But yeah, you know, so I mean, my next main video that I'm going to be talking about is, you know, raising your vibration, how you can keep your vibration high, and working on it. But until the next video, much love to you all, and namaste and bye for now. Take care. Bye bye.